Human circulatory system. Human circulatory system, also called the blood vascular system, consists of a muscular chambered heart, a network of closed branching blood vessels, arteries, veins, and blood capillaries, and the fluid which is circulated in the blood vessels and heart called blood. You have studied about blood. Now we will study about the human circulatory organ, heart. Human heart is mesodermal in origin. What do you mean by mesodermal? You have studied in your class 9th that vertebrates are triploblastic, Triplo, triploblastic, which means there are 3 germ layers present in the organism during embryonic stage, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, and from these 3 layers different organs of the organisms are formed. So heart is derived from which layer during embryonic stage? That is the mesodermal layer. So that's why we say that heart is mesodermal derived organ, and it is situated in the thoracic cavity. When we have done the last chapter, structure of thoracic cavity, there we have studied about a space that is known as the cardiac notch, which was present between the 2 lungs in the thoracic cavity. So what is the position of the heart? Heart is situated in the thoracic cavity in between the 2 lungs, and it is slightly tilted towards the left side. It is tilted towards the left side. The broader base of the heart, it is present towards the left side, and its lower part, it is toward the right side. So heart, it is tilted towards the left side, and it has the size of the clenched fist. So when you make a fist, it means that your size of your heart is somewhat the size of your fist. Okay, now human heart, here it is not shown. The human heart, this is the external structure of the heart. Human heart, it is covered by 2 layers. Like you have studied earlier that the lungs were protected by 2 layers, inner visceral pleural membrane and outer parietal pleural membrane, and in between the 2 fluid was present, pleural fluid, like this here. Outer parietal pleural membrane, inner visceral pleural membrane, and in between the 2 pleural cavity was present, which was filled with the pleural fluid. Similarly, in case of human heart, it is also covered by the 2 layers or 2 membrane, that is known as pericardium. Cardia word is related to heart, so we will call it here, this membrane, pericardium. Inner visceral pericardium, in between these 2 layers, outer parietal pericardium and inner visceral pericardium, space is known as pericardial cavity, and pericardial cavity is filled with a fluid known as pericardial fluid. This pericardial fluid keeps the heart moist, allow its free movement, and reduces the friction between the heart wall and the surrounding tissues when the heart beats. So the pericardium layers, they protect the heart from mechanical injury and checks its overstretching or overfilling with the blood. Now we will start with the external structure of the heart.